All we need for this core circuit is a Pilates ball. If you'll notice, mine is a little squishy flat. That's on purpose. The farther down your back your Pilates ball is, the harder this move becomes. So I'm gonna start it right here. I'm gonna go chest open. I'm gonna stretch over this ball. Enjoy that for a second. Inhale. Exhale on the way back up. We've got 10 reps here. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Bring your ball under your back just a little bit more, and we'll now have a circle crunch. So I'm gonna come down around my ball and up on the other side, and then I'm gonna switch that to the other direction. We'll go 5 each direction. Keep an eye on your core. Mine is starting to wanna puff up like this and cone up. Snap your belly button in to keep this nice and flat. That's super important in our core, training all layers of it. Ready? Down and around. 1. 2. I am twitching. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. If you're not on fire, I don't know. Okay, next move. We will roll this ball up our leg with a little crunch. I like to put my opposite hand across. That just gives me a little guidance. I'm pushing through this top elbow and I'm rolling this ball up my leg. Here we go, we're going 8 each side. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side, here we go for 8. 2, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna support my head. I'm starting to feel my neck. Don't want to stop our core, but I don't feel like training my neck today. 8. Good. Pilates ball back underneath your back. At this point, if you want to go a little bit harder, you can tuck it right at the top of your tailbone. If you need it a little bit easier still, mid back or even shoulder blades. Here we go, big stretch. And watch our core. Make sure this is coming down. If this is not coming down, you're unable to draw your belly button in tight and flatten, move your ball up. No big deal. We do not want to train outside of our core ranges. That's where we get injured. You will do yourself no good by training your core outside of your abilities. So if you're training in this zone where it's popped up, you're likely doing more harm than good. 9, 10. Next move is different. We are coming into a quadruped position. Gonna squeeze my ball. And then I'm gonna pop up into a little bear position, which just means I'm gonna push through my toes to lift my knees off the ground. Big squeeze into my ball. Okay, here we go. Just tap. 2. Just tap. 3. Imagine there's a string from the ceiling that goes through your body, connects to your belly button, and it's pulling you up from your belly button. 8. 9. If you feel your quads too much here, you may need to lean into your hands more. 11 and 12. Very good. Flip this into side lying. Just gonna squeeze the ball here to kind of isolate my legs to make sure I can't use them. Our target here is our obliques. So I'm gonna oblique crunch. If I tried to only use my obliques, I'm like barely gonna get off the ground. So I'm gonna push through this hand to help me get through this full range of motion. Still drawing my belly button in, lifting pelvic floor every exhale. A hand here might help you feel that really well. There's 4, 5, 6, still squeezing my ball. 7, one more. 8. We're gonna go back to our bear position taps, and then we'll do the other side. Here we go. String through your body, connect into your belly button, squeeze your ball, lift through your toes. Ready. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3. Lots of pressure in our hands. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we'll get the other side of our obliques. All right, ball squeeze. Hand down. Sometimes I like my top hand here. This is the target area, this muscle group right here. So I'm gonna put my hand here to really feel it. Inhale, exhale with a crunch and a push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. If you wanted another round, feel free to repeat.